Hello, my name is Brandi Spencer, and welcome to the new agent information session. You can find additional information and next steps at bit.ly/legacy team 2018. So what we're going to do is a quick overview of the FES opportunity. And as you know, my company, Consider the Possibilities, is enrolling new agents to help us bless 1,000 families by the end of 2018. And so when I saw this opportunity, it was a no-brainer. I come in contact with so many people and business owners who have less than perfect credit. And so they're not able to get the business financing that they need. Some people really desperately want to purchase a home, or maybe something as simple as buying a car. And so as you know, bad credit can cost you over $1 million in fees and interest rates. So additional interest rates. So credit is very important. And so in addition to a great product, it was really important that I partnered with a company with a solid track record. And so Financial Educational Services has been around since 2014. They have a really strong emphasis on credit report restoration, and they are headquartered in Michigan. They have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and they are a debt-free company. So their flagship product that I partnered with them so that I could offer my clients is the Protection Plan membership. And the main component of that membership is the credit restoration, but we also have a credit builder service. We have LifeLock that protects you from fraud and identity theft, Debt Zero program that helps you pay down your debt, and some other powerful wraparound services that really are built and strategically placed to help build, restore, and protect the credit of the people who we come in contact with. Out of every single membership, every single month, $2 goes toward the YFL Foundation, and that is a foundation that brings financial literacy into schools. And as a former educator, giving back to kids was super important to me as well. And so right now we are looking for agents to partner with Consider the Possibilities and to become a part of Team Legacy. And so as a FES agent, you will be sharing information and enrolling new clients in the Protection Plan membership. I will teach you how to build a team of your own agents using social media and show you how to really leverage FES and this vehicle as a way for you to hit your retirement goals, your income goal, but most importantly, your credit goals. So for those of you who are interested, there is a $288 investment to get started, and that includes a $199 setup fee and a monthly $89 monthly fee for your FES protection plan. And so if you know anything about starting a business and startup costs, those costs are minimal. And what that allows you to do is to have a back office to manage your business, a forward-facing website that you can use for your clients, and access to $30,000 in life insurance immediately, and some other really powerful benefits, as well as the wraparound training that I'm going to offer Team Legacy in the form of social media intensives and sales trainings that are really going to train you on how to get the yes from your customers online. And so for each and every person who's on Team Legacy, our goal is to strive for 5, so that once you pay that $288 one time, that is the only fee you pay. After you enroll 5 clients, you no longer have to pay the $89 per month. So your business is free at that point. You're back in all of the support and all of the training, okay? So each and every time that you enroll a new protection plan client, you'll receive $100. So if you enroll 5 in a month, that's $500, 5 in a week, it's even more than that, and so on. But in addition to that, you're also going to receive a residual income. And if you don't know what that is, that's an income that you earn once and that you keep getting over and over again, month after month. And so with each protection plan that you enroll, you're going to receive a $12 commission each and every month after that. And so with only 20 protection plans, that is $240 each and every month that you're going to receive without having to do anything. And so remember, for a lot of people, they are $500 away from bankruptcy. So $500 to $1,000 a month in additional income could be a game changer, right? So in addition to all of that, as you decide to start enrolling agents and building your empire, you're going to, like I said before, get that $89 per month fee waived. And then as you continue, you're going to continue to build and grow that residual income. And so over time, let's say for the next 6 years, you are devoted and focused on developing the agents in your team. And if after 6 years you have 19,530 protection plans in your network, you would earn $75,000 per month. And so maybe you're like, no, Brandi, I can't do that. Well, maybe if you did 10% of that, would $7,500 a month change your mind? Or would $750 a month change your mind and change your life? And for a lot of people who are listening to this, it would. And so in addition to that, every time you enroll an agent, you're going to receive a customer acquisition bonus, or a CAB, and that can range from $100 up to $550 depending on your placement in the company, okay? And so our promotions are not based on arbitrary numbers and yearly reviews. You know exactly what you need to do each and every month to increase in the ranks and increase your commissions. I am dedicated to showing you exactly how to do that using some things as simple as social media posts, meetings at your church, or meetings at your house. So if you're coachable, if you're focused, and you're determined, I am committed to showing you how to make some real money using this opportunity as a vehicle to hit your income goals. Maybe it's your retirement goals, whatever your goals are, okay? So one of the last things that I want to bring to your attention is the FES R&R Club. So not a lot of companies reward you for going above and beyond the call of duty, right? Or for growing in the ranks in the company. But with the FES R&R Club, they will give you $600 toward an Audi, a Cadillac, or a Mercedes, right, for level 1. Level 2, they'll give you like $1,500 a month. But then they're also paying off your house. They're adding money into your retirement fund, and they are really pouring into the people who are dedicated and are loyal to the company. So like I said, companies come and go, but when I was looking for a partner to help expand the amount of products that I could offer to my clients, I looked for one that would allow me to reach the goals that I had set for myself, right? And so as an entrepreneur, I know that replacing money and restoring my retirement is super important right now. And so for me, I am super focused on reaching that level 7 in the R&R Club so that they can pay me $25,000 a month into my retirement club, okay? And so for a lot of us, we are giving everything we got each and every day to a company that has none of these benefits, right? So what I'm asking you to consider is giving just a little bit of your time to a company that you know will reward you if you hit certain levels, okay? So once again, I'm committed to helping you meet these sales goals through our social media intensives, through our sales intensive. We have training all around the country that you can plug into, as well as virtual calls and webinars each and every month. So if you are interested in aligning yourself with Team Legacy, aligning yourself with Consider the Possibilities, and aligning yourself with FES as an agent that's going to help my organization bless 1,000 families by the end of 2018, then I would love, love, love to connect with you. So there's going to be some people who they've listened to this presentation and it's not for them, and they just want to give us maybe some leads or names of people who this service will be right for, or this opportunity will be right for. Great. Go to bit.ly/team legacy and it'll explain to you exactly how you can do that. Maybe you want the service and you want to be a protection plan member. Go to that website, bit.ly legacy team 2018, select number 2. You're a number 2 because you want the service, okay? Maybe you're a number 3 and you want the service and you want to be an agent. There's information at that website for you as well. And lastly, there are some people who are really interested in the opportunity, but they do not have the $288 to invest. And so I have created an opportunity for you to earn your own business with FES, and I have created a 7-day action plan. So if you are interested and dedicated the next 7 days to building a business of your own, then the number 4 trial run option is probably the option for you. So go to bit.ly/legacy team 2018. Take a look at option 4 and follow the instructions there. Guys, this thing is too easy. Many of you came to me today from a simple social media post that cost me less than $100, right? If I can show you how to get free leads and very inexpensive leads that you can turn into money each and every month, then my question is, why are you hesitating on this thing, okay? So the investment is $288 one time and then $89 a month to become a full-fledged member of Team Legacy. If you are interested in giving it a trial run and finding out how you can earn your membership and your business, then take advantage of the number 4 trial run option. Me and you will hop on a call. I'll show you exactly what the blueprint is in your exact step over the next 7 days, and we will make the magic happen together. Guys, I cannot bless 1,000 families nationwide by the end of 2018 without you. I need your support. I need leads from you. I need contacts from you. Share our social media accounts. Share our information with those you come in contact with. And I thank you in advance for all you do. My name is Brandi Spencer, CEO and founder of Consider the Possibility. God bless and good night.